Hello and once again, so welcomes and highly greetings to all my subscriber, all my fables, highly welcomes to all my students, one who has taken their channel, taken their challenge and always putting comments and sharings. And as you know that this channel is only looking for you. As per your commands, share and demands, I am always uploading the video. So as you know that somebody has taken about that somebody we read and looking for that they are talking about that what is a robo. Alright. So in this video we are talking about a robo, right? So maybe video maybe a little bit long will be, but to complete informations, I hope first time you are getting in YouTube different types of question, so I can suggest only that don't quit the video. And as you have given this praise and encouragement, you can say that is for that a highly affable and heartily greetings to all my subscribers, my daffodils, Lotus, Star, and James and Pearl student, one who has given the lots of loves. I don't believe that how much they love. That is your channel. That's why I have already told that this is your channel, that is Ramanujam Centro, which are looking only for you as per your demands and comments. I'm not looking for any trending video and something. I don't things any for recommendation and for anyone. Lots of the people they have already recommended, they are on the line. But first times I'm looking for all my fables and lovely students, one who are subscribing, sharing, commenting, and they have already subscribed, thumbs up, hit the bell button, and they're probing. There is nothing impossible in the world. Whichever the challenge we are facing, they have taken my channel, my challenge for them, and they are doing their own work. Many highly heartily greetings and lots of blessings to you for that. So before start a video, I can suggest only that lots of information I have included, and sorry for inconvenience if you are getting any noise and surrounding noise and not a good quality. As you know, this is our video challenge, right? We have to face these types of challenge, and in this challenge will be then how we can read up, right? So let's start once again. Robo. As you know, the robo is a machine, like you read in this class about computer. As you are saying, the computer is a device one who can work fast, and every types of work they can do without tire and easily, and their accuracy is 100%, right? We don't have to remember, but computer can remember lots of things. The same way it is also the machine, but it's operating through the computer, right? Like our brains computing, our whole system, our nervous systems, our whole body. The same way in computer there is CPU, central processing unit. From this they are monitoring all everything. The same way this machine is also a device, is also a computer machine, and Hindi the people saying mano yantra, which is operated through the computer. So in simple language we can say a machine that works automatically and can do any task, any types of task that is that a human can do. That means it's a helping to the human, right? So don't worry about that. The war will be problems if the computer will be everywhere, right? Maximum the peoples were thinking before that these types of things. I do believe that lots of the peoples they lost the job. But I do believe that lost the peoples now get a job also, and they are in very good positions and they have praised themselves, right? This is also right. So we should always be positive that what is happening, we should have to take our oath that we should not have to be worried about that, we should not have to be negative that might be humans, people will be affected. Definitely anything. Let me explain about this an example. Before that was a study booth, when first time study booth started, the people they were going and the study booth people were yearning gender thing loss of the revenue, right? Later when government also put a box, and after that later it comes up as a box, and right now everyone using mobile. So are you feeling that lots of the booths already closed? Definitely it's closed, but lots of the people through this technology, at least lakhs and lakhs people only they have a para operate theirs, you can say the technology, the computer machine, the mechanisms, they are installing this products of the mobile, they are operating this, you can say this machine, mechanics, there are lots of their infrastructures and their mechanism is involved also, and the lots of people got a job also. So definitely there will be two things always, some things will be you can say profit and something will be loss, but later ones as per compare you will get it down the people's nowadays a loss of and profit rather than that you can say the loss. And if the people with the rhymes when they open this divorce and all everything, definitely they got benefit, loss of benefit they got, and after that they settle, they made the infrastructures, they open the studio, they opens their whatever other center, different types of centers and all lines, rocking center, definitely. So they develop themselves, that means the technology developing. So there is technology developing, that means only they run to help to the people, they can produce the people, but they cannot want to, and as people thinking that if the work will do for the machine, then man will be, but these all everything's afraid by men. But condition is only that there might be about people that we have 125 millions of the people, and they are working. You can say that one machine can work 10,000 and 20,000 of work, then what 10,000 will work. I don't think this types of a situation always it will be balance, little bit problems will be, and later on it will be managed. Every time since a long time we are looking this thing matter, problems create, and we are getting the solution. Let's come to the main point, otherwise the video will be long, so lots of this information we had to share. Robo are nothing, as a robo is a machine designed to execute one or more tasks automatically with speed and precision. There are as many different types of robo as there are tasks for them to perform. An autonomous robo acts as a stand-alone system completely with on computer. So please listen carefully, otherwise you will get confused once again, and once again you will ask the question. So what is robot and its usage? Robots are widely used in manufacturing, assembly and packaging, transport, earth and space exploration, surgery, weaponry, laboratory, research and mass productions of consumer and industrial goods. I believe it's a very simple language. I want to explain. The more question will be for the further robotics. Robotics in days today where the robots are getting, you can say manufacturers and are getting in work in their in the you can say the timelines. So just I'm going to explain here that there is a robotics. If you're talking about the father, then the Angel Brothers, widely known as the father of the modern robotics industry. Angel Brothers works closely with the inventor George Double. Later we'll, once again, so we'll repeat about the George Double. We have some more questions I will suggest to you. Licensing patents and developing the first industrial robot in the United States under the brand's name Unimer. Right? I told you George Devil. So what's George Devil? In 1954, George Devil invented the first digitally operated and programmable robot called the Unimat in 1956. Devils and his partner Joseph Angel Brother. Before that, I told Angel Brothers, one who developed the robotics. Angel Brothers famous the world's first robot company in 1961, the first industrial robot. All what I'm talking is about the Unimat's Vans online chain, General Motors Automobiles factory in New Jersey. As you know, that's a robo. Now they got a citizenship in Saudi Arabia, became the first country in the world to grant citizenship to a robo on October 25 of the Future Investment. You can say Initiative Summit in the capital Riyadh. It was announced that Sophia, a humanoid robot developed by Hansen Robotics, became a Saudi citizen. It was also, I'm giving the information from this news. I can credit and I can thanks to the all news people and reader when you are giving the news, so that I am very easy to getting the news and I am summarizing and I can express before you. Right? Now the question is coming, that is a manner, that is a Sanskrit manner pronounced manav. Manav meaning human, is India's first humanoid robot. The question will be what is the first humanoid robot? So humanoid robot which was developed in the laboratory of a Safe Training and Research Institute of Diwakar Vash, head of robotics and research, ACT, a Training and Research Industry Institute in December 2014. It debuted at the IIT Bombay Tech, that is Tech Fest 2014-15 in Mumbai. Diwakar Vash, the designers of Mano demonstrations of robots of IIT Bombay Tech, the Tech Fest 2015. You are looking the figure also, you can find out that who was this person. Now the question is, what is the latest robot? A Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong based company Hansen Robotics. What is the most advanced robot right now? Honda Motor Corporation Asimov has been dubbed the world's most advanced robot, but is that really the case? Honda Motor Corporation Asimov, with the humanoid appearance and ability to walk and climb stairs, has been dubbed the world's most advanced robot. I do believe that you are able to understand their very simple voice and language. Next question coming, can robots take over the world? And artificial intelligence, I told you this is one type of latest technology. The people are getting fear, might be this artificial intelligence developed, that might be there will be no humans in everywhere, all everywhere will be artificial AI, and maybe it is not good for this human. Let's see what happens later. It's the people's as they are believing, but I don't think this will be happen. Everything's made for the human, and everything will be useful for environment, women, and the men, and all everyone. Thus we should have to be positive, and we should have to be more intelligent, more creative, and we can say more and more knowledgeable, so that we can compare more powerful than this robotics and AI. As you know, this robot and artificial intelligence, all everything, these have their limitation, they have their limit of energy, they have their limit of the memory, and these all everything, the creator is the human, creator is the man, operator is the man. So they are the creator, that means you are the father. So I'm thinking that your son can do anything, maybe powerful. Maybe some of the people call it, might be it will be not good for this the latest technology and the latest time. One who will be you can say the well versed in technology might be for those people will get jobs, and this will not get a job, and there they can. But this will this whole technology create productivity and increase the productivity. So I can suggest the people, you don't have to think about this. They are, when you do once when you're gonna way close, there will be 80 to 100 to thousands we are getting out, right? The next question, can robot take over the world? The same question I'm talking about. An artificial as take over is a hypothetical scenario in which artificial intelligence AI become the dominant form of intelligence on Earth, with the computer or robots effectively taking the control of the planet away from the human species. Will robots remove jobs? The same questions, just I'm going to clarify. Robots will take jobs from men and youngs and minorities. Automations may create as many jobs as it destroys. A new study finds but men, younger folks and minorities hold positions that are particularly vulnerable. Amazon's employ more than 1 lakh robo in its US warehouses alongside more than 125,000 human workers they have already applied. So if you'll compare, then you can get this 1 lakh people they have already idle. No, the employments, the productivity when there is creating, definitely some people will get hampered. It is according to the technology. Always this thing happen. Will doctors be replaced by robo? Binod Khosla, a legendary Silicon Valley investor, argued that robots will replace doctor by 2035, and there is some evidence that he may be right. While the robot took longer than a human, its stutters were much better, more precise and uniform, with fewer chances for breakage, leakage and impaction. Will robots create more jobs? Robots and AI will actually create more jobs than they take. Okay, so now if we're clear, then it's taking a job but it's creating a job, right? It's giving more productivity. Robots will make some more jobs than they take in the UK according to a new report. The combinations of artificial intelligence and robotics will displace up to 7 million jobs between 2017 and 2037. So I hope it's clear. You don't have any hesitation now, right? So this video I am using as per this fair use of that is copyright disclaimer under section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. That is, allowance is made for fair use for purpose such as the criticism, comments, and news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair uses and use permitted by copyright stated that nice otherwise be inferring non-profit, educational and personal use. That means it all everything. So we have taken according to the rule. Indian first human robot, Rasmi robot, god of the scientist systems. The science systems presents Rasmi, world's first humanoid robots and story standard with the Ranchi man Ranjit Srivastav 38 has developed Indian version of Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by a Hong Kong-based company named Rasmi, which can speak Hindi, Bhojpuri and Marathi along with English. Ranchi man Ranjit Srivastav 38 has developed Indian version of Sophia, a social humanoid robot developed by Hong Kong. Right? So these were this informations about this robot. I hope you understand and you will try to understand. If you have any question, then I can suggest that please go in the comment sections. But before that, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe so that any video when I will upload you will get in the first time and you will not miss any video. And these types of video, if you want to order, please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell button and write on email ramanuzam ramanuzam@gmail.com. I believe that it is very fabulous and it is very valuable, this video, and lots of information how much possible in the short video I have put it. So I do request that please watch completely to get and gather knowledge. In that way, please keep smile. Have a great pleasures